Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to actually create a template, which I talked about creating in the last video and then forgot to show you guys how to make a template. So here we go. All right. So this one's pretty easy, super quick. The way that you make the template, so we finished our design inside of Creative Cloud Express. So now we're at the point of just making the template or just turning this into a template. So too easy, right? All we have to do is we're going to go over here to share, and then we're going to go down to make template. Once we click make template, because I have Adobe stock in here, so if you have Adobe stock in here, it's going to say, hey, if you let anyone else see this, they're going to have to purchase this image. They're going to have to license it themselves in order to be able to use it. And we're like, okay, yep, totally understand that. Got it. Because if you're just using this template for yourself, then you're not going to have to worry about that. It's just when you send it out. So now we want to name the template. So I'm going to say Cake Express. And then if we wanted to add a note, we could. I'm just going to add this into my Happy. I have a library called Happy Teach. It's pretty slow right now. It's getting there. It's getting there. It's thinking. It's thinking. I work this computer all day. So I'm just going to Happy Teach. And I'm going to hit Save Template. It creates the template in the background while you work, and then it tells you when that template is ready. Okay, so now the template's ready. I can choose create from template here if I wanted to. So I'll just click on that, and then it's going to go ahead and it's going to open the template up for me to work in. And here I have it. I have a template, and this one is protected. So no matter what I do to it, my other template is good. So I'm going to go back to the home screen so I can show you real quick. Okay, so back here at the home screen, I can show you guys how to get to your templates. The templates that you created. Well, this first button right here that says from your template, click on that. And it's gonna open, it's gonna load them, but it's gonna open because it can do it. I have faith in it. I do. The faith is real. It's coming. It's coming, guys. It's thinking. It's going through. There we go. All right. So here are all the templates that I have on this account. So all I have to do is create from, click on that. And then it's going to open the template. And now I can create from it. And that template file is protected, and this is just a copy of it that I can do and make whatever I want. See, look at that. I can make changes to it or what have you, but that right there is how you create a template. All right, so that's it for this video today. I will see you in the next video. Hey, but if you liked it, please like. Um, if you like the content that's coming on this channel, please subscribe. Um, Also comment to tell me that you liked it. What did you like about it? And and I think that's it. All right. So and share the video so you can help me grow my channel. All right. Other than that, have a until the next tutorial. Have a wonderful time. Ta ta for now.